Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you really quick how I get my eyebrows to go from this to this. You can see they're a lot thicker and honestly they don't have a lot of products. So if you want to know how you can get your eyebrows to look like this, then just keep on watching. So the product that I'm going to be using is a new Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. It's so clear and it's really easy to use. I'm also going to be using this little brush. This one's also from Anastasia. It's the spoolie on one side and it's flat on the other side. So first I'm going to grab some of the product on the brush, and you probably saw the white on the brush already because I had just finished doing this eyebrow over here. I'm not going to apply all this product directly on my eyebrows. I'm going to put it on the back of the little cap, and then from there I'm going to grab a little bit, make sure it's nice and even on the little spoolie. Then I'm going to start on the inner part of my eyebrows and just brush them up. I don't have any foundation or anything on my face because when I do this, I am like, as I'm brushing them up, the brush does touch this area right here. You can kind of see a little bit some of the wax right there, and if I already have the foundation, it's gonna pretty much remove the foundation from there. So I like to do my eyebrows first and then I apply the foundation and all that. But yeah, I'm just brushing all the hairs up and to the side like this until I like how it's looking. Next time I do an eyebrow tutorial, I'm gonna show you how the little hairs are, because normally they're like super long all the way up to here. Like, I'm not even lying, like my hairs are very long, but as you can see I do cut them. So next time I do an eyebrow tutorial, I will let them grow and then I'll show you how I cut them. And honestly, this part is really easy. Then with the other side, I'm just going to pretty much make sure everything is nice and flat. That way the hairs don't move throughout the day, and it's really going to stay like this for a long time. I've been doing my eyebrows like this for a while now, and I honestly love this product. Now I can leave my eyebrows like this. It looks really nice, but I like to add a little bit of product, and you can see it even makes the eyebrows look even more thicker. And for that I like to use either the Anastasia Brow Wiz or the powder, and they're both in the shade Granite because my eyebrows are really dark. But like I said, you can leave it like that if you like how the eyebrows look. They look even more natural and you don't have to do more work. But like I said, I do want to apply a little bit of product, so I'm going to grab some of the Anastasia Brow Powder using their number 12 brush. And the only reason why I like to apply more product is because I don't really like how my eyebrows look from the bottom. It doesn't look even, so I do want most of the product to go just on the bottom part of my eyebrow. So I'm going to very lightly start applying the powder right here. So I'm just pretty much going to be filling in the gaps in between the hairs. And next and final step is another option. You don't really have to do it, but I like to do it because I really like how my eyebrows look. I see a big difference, and that's to clean the eyebrows from the bottom using concealer. And you can see right here, this is before and then this is after. They just look a lot more like crispy, very nice and shaped. I just really like that. And today I'm going to be using the Maybelline FIT ME concealer. I'm using Anastasia's A4 flat brush to clean them, and I also already applied foundation just on my forehead, and I don't really clean my eyebrows from the top. I just apply the foundation carefully as close to the eyebrows as I can without messing them up or adding any product on top of the eyebrows. And I'm done. So this is what my eyebrows look like, a lot thicker, so much better. I always have this one a bit thicker than that one, but that's okay because it's not that big of a difference, and I just really love my eyebrows like this. I honestly don't think my eyebrows have ever looked this good. Like, I feel like this is my favorite style now, and I know not everyone's gonna like them, but if you were looking to know how to do your eyebrows like this, then I really hope this tutorial helped you. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and your family. Don't forget to also let me know in the comments below what are the videos you want to see. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!